What are you doing? Did you want to go swimming? What are you doing, Betty? Oh, did you want to go swimming? Yeah? What is that? What is it? A shoe. What are you doing with that shoe? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ethan, is that what you're supposed to be doing? Quit that. Say bye. Ethan, say bye. It's locked. Say bye. No. Are you being two? Nah, no hitting. Are you hitting? You're not supposed to be in there. Say bye. I'm going to show this to your girlfriend when you get older. We shall know where that mouth has been. We shall know where that mouth has been. You want to go outside? Sure, it's cold. Is it cold in September? You bet. Okay, love you. Bye.